You'll never believe where the end of my little brush is. Stuck in there. Doggone it. I was doing a maintenance, brushing out all the dirt that was inside of these burners. And I pulled my brush out and voila. The head of it is stuck inside that burner. So I took those 2 screws out. Remove this little plate. And we just pop it out. And I don't know if you can see it down in there. And there it is. Hate it when that happens. Well, I was able to push it on through and get it to come out. I went ahead and pulled them all out and cleaned them up nicely. Might as well clean the flame sensor here. See if we can get it. It's pretty rough feeling. We'll clean that up, shine it up, be good as new. Yeah, I like that music. This is the amount of dirt that it brought out with it. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Y'all be safe out there.